So I'm here with Liz, and we're going to talk a little bit about flooring. And Liz is a really good expert on some of the flooring needs that you might have. So Liz, let's say I'm looking for a living room floor, and I already have a wooden floor set there, and I don't have any kind of radiant heat needs. I can just put a new floor right on. What would be some suggestions or
I would
questions?
suggest a floating floor, and we have two different price points: grade, builder grade, or also top quality, which is stone polymer core, and which is actually made of real wood. Shaw offers 6 different variations of color in any of their click, so you won't have duplicates throughout.
And the click tile, how is that different than just a standard floating floor?
It will you just click it together and it floats.
So do I save some time with my contractor
Oh,
install? Or?
absolutely.
Okay.
You could do it yourself because it just clicks together.
And do you need underlayment for the click?
No,
Okay, so but
not all of them. Some do. The Floorte on the board, the Brazilian Floorte, but the Exquisite, it's already pre-attached to it.
And what are some of our options for underlayment if I did go in a direction where I needed an underlayment?
Well, here we have foam underlayment, cork, a little more expensive.
But that one's energy efficient and Green Star rated?
Yes,
Okay, so that's more for if you're looking to do things with an environmental mindset.
right, right.
And so we've got
And
synthetic.
soundproof.
So if you've got noisy kids downstairs that are, having their band over.
So, but we have lots of options. Builder grade. We also are now cut through Shaw offering carpet tiles with coordinating flooring.
Oh, that's really nice. So if you have a business office and you kind of want to have those two things meet, they match.
That's correct. That
Now,
is correct.
What's the difference? Most homeowners want to know what's the difference between a laminate, a vinyl, and then we're mentioning this stone composite. So what are some differences that homeowners might want to know about that?
So laminate is strong because it's layers and it's glued together. Hardwood is not as water soluble. And then you have the click, which is water repellent, and some of it is waterproof.
So some of the questions that you might not need to give us as a homeowner is also what your heat system is and if there's any moisture. So even where the location is could give us an idea for that. So if you're doing a kitchen or a bathroom, those places are going to be high moisture. So something more like a stone composite might be best for
That's
those
correct.
places. Okay, great. Thank you so much, Liz.
Thanks.